I promise you when I say this is the easiest wig you would ever install. Yaki straight, smooth to the touch, and effortless. Let's get into it. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are good and I hope you're well. So today's video is going to be an install of this gorgeous Myfirstwig wig. This is a frontal unit that comes with the lace already cut. They really mean it when they say Myfirstwigs with Myfirstwigs, because you're not going to need to do anything. All you have to do is literally just put the hair on your head and style it. The lace comes cut, it comes bleached, it comes plucked. Everything is done for you. So this is a perfect wig for anyone who's new to wig wearing or is a beginner when it comes to lace. So this is the box that it comes in. The logo right here, Myfirstwigs, and in the box you get so many goodies that help you install your wig. So you get this bag and it has a comb, it has clips. It also comes with a wig cap and an edge brush. Literally everything that you would need to get this look. If you want to see how I styled this wig, super quick, super easy, then make sure you stay tuned to the end. Mwah. Straight out of the box, the wig is gorgeous. It's bouncy, it's shiny, literally ready to go. Let's get into this lace, guys. The lace already comes cut for you. So all that faffing around with the lace is no longer. It comes with 3 combs for that extra security. It also comes with an elastic band, so that wig is not coming off. So I plopped the wig on my head. Off the bat, this is what it's looking like. The lace comes already plucked and the hairline looks super realistic. However, we do want to make sure that the lace is matching to our skin tone. So to do this, I'm getting my contour stick and I'm placing that on the lace just to make sure that I have that skin tone like finish on my lace so it looks that much more realistic. Once that's done, I'm going to take the makeup off my forehead so we can get into the application. The reason I take off the makeup from my forehead is just so we don't have that oil transfer and so we can have a flawless finish. For adhesive today, I'm using my Ebin spray. This is so strong. But if you're someone that's not into glue, this is a nice alternative. Although it does make your wig stay on for like the longest time, you can take it off at the end of the night with just a little bit of water. So I absolutely love this option for myself. So I'm spraying that on the hairline, and as you guys can see, the hairline is so well plucked and it has a really, really nice realistic look to it. Then I'm going to take my blow dryer on cool heat and I'm going to use that to press that in to make sure that it's staying on my forehead. Okay, so I did that on both sides as well, and this is what we're looking like. The texture of this wig is Yaki straight, so it does mimic relaxed hair quite well. You can definitely get away with pretending that this wig is your hair. As you guys can see, the natural texture is also straight and it's so shiny and bouncy. However, just to give it that extra bounce and shine, I am gonna go over it with my curlers. But to start off, I'm making sure that the lace portion is super flat, especially around the parting, just to make it look that much more realistic. Okay, so once that's done, we're ready to curl. I'm taking my Dyson Corral curlers. Well, they're actually straighteners, but you can also use them as curlers. And I'm just curling the hair away from my face. Very easy, very quick, very simple. Now the hair is all styled. This is what we're looking like. Absolutely gorgeous. I love the way this hair has come out. I feel like the length is a really nice length. It's not too long, it's not too short, and it just mimics my hair so well. The hair is so soft and so flowy, and the lace, get into this lace. Where is that lace? Nowhere. Absolutely gorgeous. Here is the hair from the back. So bouncy. Love it. So yeah, this is how I installed this wig. Make sure you check out the description box for a direct link. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you soon in another one. Bye guys. Mwah.